How to add page border on Google Doc. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add the page border, firstly navigate to your Google Doc. Now over here you will see the insert button, tap on it. From here head over and click on drawing. Tap on the new icon. Now once you are in the drawing tab, you can click on the shape option. Tap on shape. Then click on the rectangle one or the one that you want to place it as a border. You can draw it over here like this. Now make sure that in the paint section you have selected the transparent one. Then select the color of the border. To develop the width, just drag along to the sides. Now, once you have rest assured of it, next step is to consider the border width. For that, you can actually select the border weight and click on any of this. Once done, tap on Save and Close. Now here is our border. You can just drag along throughout the page to set it up. Now to make sure that it is in front of the text, make sure you select on the wrap text option. And that's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.